Let us talk about Hivesearcher today. Hivesearcher is a simple search engine built on a Hive blockchain. It does index all the comments and posts within the blockchain, and it allows you to search posts with a few keywords. And it's quite powerful, and you can customize your searches and queries and get all the data you want. In this video, I can showcase what some of the use cases and how we're utilizing it in our application as well. So Hivesearcher is, as you can see, the front end is just simple input, and you can add some text and it will start finding the text what you're looking for. And as you can see, we have an indexer. It fetches the content all the time from blockchain and indexes the documents. And documents are basically the comments and posts, and whenever you add some keywords, then you can find the content easily. For example, in this case, let's search Hive resource credits, how resource credits works. And it is searching from some of the comments, and relevance is just sorted by relevancy to the keywords. It is a kind of Elasticsearch helper that helps you to find the text, and it weights some of the keywords together and tries to find your relevant ones. And popular is the one which has the highest reward, and it is displayed in the top. And it's similar indexing or similar like relevance. It it extracts the keywords from your query and tries to see which keywords you are more interested in. It's not the best solution, but it is working quite good. And you can see the recent ones. If you go to the recent, you can see some of the recent posts related to this. And any new characters you add, it will obviously change the results. And let's see here. If I wrap them into the quote, you can see that it's trying to find exact word from the contents which it has. And there are many more options here. You can search by some mobile update. You can add after of the post, let's say Ecency, and it will give you the results from Ecency. And you can see it's trying to find mobile update content from Ecency, and you can see that it's including both posts and comments as well. And you can sort that out. If you want just a post, you can just say type post, and you will only get posts, and you can change it to the comment. You will get only relevant answers from the comments. And it is quite handy and powerful. And you can see we have API documentation where you can quickly integrate this into your application and start using search and utilizing some of the advanced functionalities. Now let's talk how we're using this functionality in Ecency.com. When you go to the Ecency.com, you can see the search engine. This is basically doing the search from the Hivesearcher database. And from Hivesearcher indexes the content from Hive blockchain, and Ecency.com is utilizing that index basically to find relevant content for you. And similarly, PicD and Hive.blog and some other applications integrating Hivesearcher into their application. And whenever people search from their application, they also find content from Hivesearcher index basically. So one of the ways we're utilizing it is here. And if you search some keywords, let's say games, then you can see the results here. It's showing the recent ones on top, and you can see the people who might have a name games, or who might have some description into their description games, and it shows you, it tries to find the people from their descriptions. You can find game related communities as well, and topics which is related to games. And if you go to the advanced section here, you can see much more options. This is a search term. You can change the author. If you have some author in mind, you can change the type. You can add category. Categories are usually the ones you want to filter from. Let's say we want to search from this category, which is the community ID for Ecency, and it will give you results from Ecency community, and you can basically do the search within your communities as well. And these are some relevant tags which can be separated by a comma. And here you can see results from last week, last month, or last year, or entire dataset. So this is also quite useful, and you can sort them from different relevance. So what are the other ways how we're utilizing the search engine? If you go to the profile page, you can see that there is a search engine, and it also allows you to search content from the account. So only search results are returned from the Ecency account. It's basically utilizing the same keyword which I earlier used, when you can specify the type, the author of the content. What we're doing basically is specifying the author of the content and allowing people to search content from Ecency blog, and you can find basically content made by Ecency easily from their profile page. And similarly, if you go to any community, similarly we allow searching content here. What it does basically also search content within the community, just like I showed earlier. By utilizing the category, we are making sure that content is taken only from that community, and the results are shown here. These are very useful search functionalities. Another functionality is when you're reading any content, you might be noticing on ecency.com that you get some of the relevant results. If you scroll down the content, you will see here relevant content, which is related to what you're reading. Basically, what we do here is we take two of the main tags of this content and we try to search similar content which has the two tags, and we show them here. Why it's useful? Because when you're reading the content which has two tags, it's high likely that you will want to read something related, and these are usually quite good suggestions to read next after reading, let's say, gaming related content. And this is how we're utilizing also Hivesearcher here. There are many other use cases for the search engine, and if you want to integrate Hivesearcher into your application, feel free to check hivesearcher.com and API documentation page. There you will get information about what kind of data you will get and what kind of queries you can make and how complex you can make them, and you can remove some of the content. If you're looking, for example, desktop app, but the term desktop app, but you don't want monthly digest to be included into this content, or you don't want giveaway text to be included in this content, then you can remove them by adding minus, and then you can search by author good karma. You can add some tags, and you can specify the type of the content you're searching for. And most of the time, combination of all these search keywords will allow you to find your content quickly, and this is very flexible search engine. If you want to integrate it into your applications, feel free to check how we're integrating into Ecency.com. Ecency.com source code is open source, so you can check how the integration is working and which specific pages we are utilizing it. And you can use similar ways to integrate it into your applications. But thank you.